Yo, I'm back. I fix. Kahassle.
Where you at?
Ang hassle nun. Inayos ko yung buong,
Ayun, nag-live na ulit si Oga.
buong stream. Yo, di ba ako rinig? Oh, di ako rinig sa Discord. Yo. Rinig na ba ako sa Discord?
Oga.
Oh, yeah, I think di ako rinig sa Discord.
Nope, not really. But I can't hear you in the live.
Pero di sa Discord.
Yeah.
Okay, paano to? Yo, what up?
Okay. Still nothing.
Wait, huh?
Ano ba yung problema, Oga?
The problem is, nasa Discord.
Okay na.
Naririnig na ako sa Discord.
Ah.
Okay.
Back.
Paad. Ah, sige. What is your... Yeah, I'm hearing myself. What is your username?
What I see your username?
Hindi, yung
Username is 1234. Eddie 1234.
Hindi, may nagpapaad.
Nilaro ang username. Ha?
Ay, ayokong i-add yung pangalan na Mark. Hindi, joke lang.
Hi, Hunter. Sira ka talaga.
May classmate kasi kaming Mark eh.
Who is high? Who is this high? Ano high? High.
Stoy.
Tingnan mo kasi. Ay, si Moshi. Settings, ikaw na naman yan.
Yo, I'm done. Or, shy?
Let's go. Sino to?
Anong game natin ga? Actually, di ko alam sa kanila. Naglalaro na sila eh. Antayin ko na lang matapos yung round nila, then we're gonna play.
Nope, we're not gonna stop playing. Who is this? Hinihintay ka namin.
Ay talaga, ang sweet naman yan.
We're waiting for you.
Dude, we can just left you.
Di ako na-touch. De, joke lang.
Ay, aligat. Sumama ka sa akin. Itatouch ko si kuryente, boy.
Iyo, nakakapag-English ka dito, pero nung defense natin,
Yung
hindi ka nakakapag-English.
Ayun!
Nanginginig na ako nun. Naguna akong tanongin dun.
Oh, nag-personal.
Tanggap ko yun eh. Tanggap ko. Kaya okay lang sa akin yun. Tanggap ko.
Kinaram ko yun eh.
Wala naman masyado ginawa dun eh. Hindi ko inaral yun, pero ako sumagot eh.
Nakasar lang ako. Wag na natin pag-usapan.
Babay.
Yo.
Dude.
Oy, narin.
Femboy.
Femboy ba? Ngayon ko lang nalaman eh. Mahilig kasi ako sa
May gas siya bata.
Uy! Loko kayo. Huwag kayo magbiro ng ganun.
Joke lang.
Anong sabi nun? May kilala akong mahilig sa bata.
Oy!
Ay.
Hey, yo.
Yo, stop.
Stop guys.
Stop
Ay,
it.
huwag kang mag-alala. May kilala din ako eh.
Yo.
Itong madalas mag-ganun, tapos kayo mag-joke na yan.
Yo, stop. Naka-live tayo.
Ba't naririnig ba kami?
Oh!
Oo.
Oh!
Last kasi hindi eh.
Guys,
Rinig kayo last time. Anong hindi?
rinig boy. Ayan, narinig kayo ng mod. Anong game? Sasali na ba kay Kiyo?
Ayan na. Go. Come here.
Ay, favorite kanta ko to. Ophelia.
Who is that? Who is that in the Discord? The username.
Ay.
Settings.
Ay, wait.
What the fuck?
Wait lang. Wait lang guys.
After an hour later.
Dinig ng buong mundo eh.
Si Natoy.
Wala yan.
It's been an hour and we haven't even started the game.
Yung sakit sa tenga. Yo, asan kayo?
I'm here in the middle.
Are you at?
Oh god, what? Why are you? Why are you in that avatar again, bro?
You're playing horror.
Okay. Okay, nagawa na ako ng party ah.
Sige. Igi.
Chapter 1. Join na kayo.
John Smith. Ay, hanggang 4 player lang to eh.
Ayun, start na.
You're gonna scare us with that avatar, bro.
Rar.
Going to be scared at the freaking...
Yan na naman yung panakot. Kaya nga eh.
Who's the mom and the dad is cute?
What?
Inspec/spec?
CH1.exe. I just heard something and I don't know what's happening.
Oh no, good luck.
What do you mean good luck? Oh, frick. Napakalakas. Talaga is...
My ears.
Skibidi signal.
Wait, what the heck? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? to
Cinematic
explore?
yarn.
Ophelia.
Cinematic ang game.
How?
You
Wait.
have been breakdown by the... Oh, ito. Pathway. Should I? Or should I don't?
Wait,
Okay.
how to sprint?
Here, the pathway.
How to sprint?
Still the same.
Shift?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Speedrun. Let's speedrun this thing.
Okay.
You guys go
Whoa,
first.
whoa, 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 whoa. Chill. Chill, dude. Chill, dog. Chill.
Speedrun. Tiriririn. Oh guys. Whatever you do at the crossroad, don't turn left.
Don't turn left.
Where you at? Guys, where you at? I am lost, you know.
Paano ko nalo sa isang trail ng pot?
Nasaraduhan ako. Ay, crouch. Sorry.
Nasaan kayo?
Bro.
Ah,
Sorry about
Kiyo.
Ay, Hunter.
Kiyo. Whatever you do at the crossroad, don't turn left. Makikita mo dyan yung yung halimaw. Sige.
Halika, pwede na. Halika, punta natin.
Oh, a puzzle.
Wait, sige.
Hmm.
Lock.
So we got
Red.
red.
Okay.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, okay. We're building the thing. We're building the code. Oh, it's okay. We need to find green, yellow, and gray.
I think it's blue.
Oh, okay. Not bad. Is it blue or it's okay?
Ano to?
Colorblind ka, bro.
Nope. I just thought it's.
Colorblind.
Colorblind daw paga dun. I'm not sorry about that.
Ni speedrun ko to. Ay, nakita ko na yung green.
Nasa akin yung green.
I think we need to collect it
I just have it.
individually. Kailangan ba natin to i-collect individual?
Bigay. Or should I say Santa Maria?
Dog, thanks for that. Yan, King in Yellow. Nung laro yan, di ko alam. Basta? Oh, ano? Ophelia. Yung kanta mismo. Oh, Ophelia. Setting roll.
Oh, what the heck is that?
May narinig akong kumatok.
Yeah, I heard it.
Akala ko pinto ko yun. Oh.
Good.
I need a crowbar.
The green is already done.
I
We
think
still have to find yellow.
kailangan na
Guys, I found the blue one.
saan?
Where
Nasa?
you at? Where you at?
I'm at the crossroads.
Ah.
I turned left.
I'm scared.
Okay,
Whatever.
let's go.
Paranormal game, Left 4 Dead.
Let's go to the right path.
Kus-
Up here. Up here.
Where?
Yeah, faster.
Up here?
Still going to the
Up
house.
here.
Ah, in here.
I found the yellow one.
Ayan na nga ba eh.
The blue one is here.
Let's go.
Asan yung yellow?
Up here.
I have
Saan?
this one piece each. No. It's a piece for us. Oy, ilaw naman. Oy.
I remember your build.
Ay, nalaglag na ako.
Where purpose ba to?
Coffee.
I don't think so.
Ay, thank you for the follow. Yo.
You have the yellow one.
I do. Okay. I just switch it with the Sorry. I switch it with the
Wait, what?
blue one.
I mean, yo Zing, hello.
Bro, were you flying?
Hindi, may para,
You were flying.
may zip dun.
This is a
Ah,
zip
this
line.
is zip line.
Yeah, whee!
Hey, Aga. Where's the light? Give me light.
Asan yung
Ay, iwanan ako.
asan
Ay,
yellow?
yellow.
Uh,
I
uh,
have.
I want to find the yellow piece.
It's done.
Done already, bro.
Oh my god.
Actually, let me
I
Where?
got jump scared.
actually
I have a crowbar. I'm gonna kill them all.
let me actually do that again. It's fun. Ganyan ba pag vacant? Oo, syempre masaya. Yo, Kelly, kamusta?
I opened the door.
So what? Are you ready? Hey, Aga.
Oh,
Where?
where are you?
Wait, I'm flying. Whee!
Shibal.
Eh,
Dude is just enjoying the freaking horror game.
tama.
My
Tapos
light
na.
isn't working.
Punta tayo dito.
My light not working. Okay.
Where the heck are you?
I'm here.
Left or right?
Right. Don't turn
Right.
left. Don't turn left.
Right, it's always
Inner trap. Yo!
freak.
What is that?
They just left me again.
Who's crying?
They just left me again and again. Wait, what?
Bro, where are you?
I'm took the right
Speedrun.
path.
There's this crying inside.
Hey, sorry.
Here.
Hello. Oh.
Run! Andyan nga eh,
Where are you
andyan.
running?
Come here.
What the heck's that?
Do you guys?
See?
Do you
It's
guys hear
it's
crying?
it's coming from there. Look.
So don't go there, dude.
Ah.
The frick. Okay, don't go there.
Oh, it's a radio.
Shit. Oh shit. First person.
Radio. Please, no.
Ah! I'm so I'm so sorry. Nagulat ba kayo?
Okay, who went in?
Nagulat ba kayo
Who
sa
went in?
sigaw? Ako. Whee! I should turn light.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
oh shit. Oh shit. What is that?
Fuck no.
It's Norm. I think
Okay.
it's
Oh
Friday.
god, it's one of your monsters.
Don't mention distortion.
Oh my god, my cat. Wait for me!
Find the right.
How dare you leave me behind?
Find the right
Oh my god, it looks like that.
Oh, it's para siyang back
Guys,
room.
why did we take the left
Try
path?
566.
Five.
Try 566. Try 566.
5, 6.
Someone go there. 566. Olga, come with me. Olga, come with me. Olga.
Ay, hello.
Olga.
Hello.
with me. Okay? 566.
427.
Or
427.
427. Wait. One more. One at a time.
227.
566
GG.
427 227. Any of those code? None? None.
To,
What's
227.
Do we go back?
I guess.
Where do we go?
And dito.
Let's just explore.
Dito.
Okay, we find that. We find the door. Apparently it's open. Sesame. Oh,
Where did you? Oh.
Whee!
okay, so
Technically red light, green light.
Shit.
don't
Oh god, don't
don't
mention
don't
it.
run for it.
What if I've just run? What if
You're going to die.
what if I ignore the monster?
You're gonna die.
Oh
Oh. Oh no.
no! Wait, what?
No! How I wasn't moving.
What? Olga?
Oh, you just get teleported to the beginning.
I don't die. I'm strong.
How?
Dude, I'm so way
Wait, guys,
behind.
wait for me.
Okay, wait. We're gonna wait. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, wait for me.
You're deep fried.
I
can't
like the last
I
one.
cannot even move.
He died.
Oh my god.
Ah!
I died.
I died.
You just get spawned to the beginning.
What happened to you?
I died.
Oh!
Shit.
You just get
No.
spawned to the beginning.
Wait, whoa.
Oh, that makes sense. Dying of his cuteness.
Dying is not.
You won't die.
That's
You
fine,
just put
sir.
you in the beginning.
Okay,
Dying
speedrun.
is not the key to live.
Speedrun this thing. Speedrun this thing. Hello, guys.
I'm almost done.
We're almost done.
I'm
We
almost
wish.
done.
Oh, kapag natapos yung isa, lahat matatapos. Ah, that's
Bro,
fine.
It was almost there anyway.
Oh god.
I remember that eyes. I remember that eye.
Oh,
Go for it.
hell no.
Oh, what the heck is that?
Ready to run?
Run.
California girls is unforgettable.
See the bikini.
This
Oh,
one.
no. Oh my god. Sun kiss kiss.
Night
I'm
yun
just
siya.
freaking running right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. I don't know. I'm just freaking running for my
Dude,
life.
why am I so slow?
Yo,
Ah,
I'm actually chilling. The bus on the wheels goes round and round.
and round, round and round,
Holy
round
shit.
and round.
Yo guys, I'm gonna clutch this. I'm gonna
Run for your life.
Who's
gonna
at my back?
Ay,
Who's at my back? Who has back?
nag-contrip.
It's me. It's me.
Nag-contrip na
It's
sila.
me, Mitski. It's me, Mitski. Oh, sheesh. Hey, sheesh. Ah.
Biglang
Oo.
tinawag.
run! Iwan! Iwan, pati pamilya!
I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
Yo guys, I found the I found the exit. I found the exit. E.
Also, me
Oh my
also.
god.
We just survived.
Thank God.
I'm so fast.
Oh my god!
I thank you for the rose, man. Thank you so much. Thank you for the rose.
I
Ka.
don't want to be like you. You look so pretty.
Sayang yung viewers ko kanina.
She looks so ugly.
Voiceovers.
Kamukha niya si Ma'am Pati. Hindi, joke lang.
Hoy!
joke lang po.
Kamukha ni Sassy girl.
Kamukha niya yung math teacher namin.
Hey,
Okay.
Bro is throwing shade.
Let me out. Oh, in
Look
here.
on the page. Read in the lobby.
Where am? Oh,
Speedrun, shift.
Hey, you can flip it. Bro, wait for
what was
me.
that?
Wait. Wait lang. Maghintay kayo. Yung sa
Ah.
dito, naiwan na.
Oh, really?
Go
Eh,
back.
California girls is unforgettable.
Ay, nagpatugtog ka na nakakaano.
Wala. Enjoy, man.
Press.
Press all the buttons.
Feel ko may habulan dito.
Yes, mag-group kayo.
Oh, bottom. E. Yo, let's go.
Crouch.
Okay, nope. Going there.
I don't.
Nope.
I don't. Ah! Oh shit.
I think she's like roaming around.
Oh wait. It's only life, so I can die whatever I want.
Shut up.
Oh, where's all the button?
My God! Oh, heck no! Oh, go wait for me.
Wait for me.
Ah!
Let go. Oh my God.
First time mo. Nagmura ba ako?
Where are you guys? Dude, I'm scared. I found money.
California girls is unforgettable. Nikki to the secrets on top. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so scared. I'm so sorry that
Whiskey, just
I
get
swear. Hello.
Dude,
Nandito ba?
Yeah, there's a button.
See?
Hit the button. Bro,
Button.
wait.
You want no patient? What?
Come here.
You want a piece of
Bro.
batuwa?
I'm mistaken you.
Just
I'm
kidding.
mistaken you for the monster.
Oh, notes.
I haven't seen the monster yet.
Don't ask.
Okay, you don't wanna
Ask.
see that.
Don't ask. One more, guys. One more.
That's siya.
It looks like a little bit more creepy.
It's not
You just need one more.
cute ng
What is
monster.
that? What is that?
Ako ata yung sinasabi mo eh. Oh, ito! I found it.
Oh!
Click it.
It's in my back.
Okay.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
This is actually really fun. Ah, guys.
God.
Oh, it's a maze.
Guys, wait for me.
What are we doing?
Guys, I cannot see where we are going.
Use your flashlight.
Whiskey.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
here.
Just go straight.
Oh wait, we need to find the fuse.
It's red, yellow, and blue.
Yeah. Let's
America. Oh shit.
Where are y'all?
Okay.
Oh,
The red.
yeah.
Here.
Don't leave me here, Michael.
Michael, don't leave me here.
I find the blue.
I don't know
I
where
found the
I'm
red.
going
Michael, don't leave me here.
Oh shit. What is that?
You know
Oh
what?
shit.
You know
now. I got the
what?
red.
Eh.
The red. Oh no, mama mo. Okay, guys, I died.
Do you have the blue?
Turn the lights over again.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
Did you respawn?
Yeah, I'm at your back.
I low-key didn't know where I am right now.
This guys
You
don't
died in
go
front
near
of
him.
I low-key lost. I'm
Too witty.
I'm the Zoro again.
Where the heck are you, dude?
Bro, wait for me.
Ah, mama mo. Let's
Rubbish!
guys, look. Oh, he's fast.
found the blue.
Quick! Quick!
Let's
I'm
go.
dead!
Let's go.
California girls is unforgettable. Siki to Bikini Santa. I Loki. Yo, I hearing him from my back.
Where you at, Oga?
I'm I am dying.
Hear screeching.
It's on me, guys.
No.
I am dead. Google Maps alert. I hate this game.
We still need the yellow one.
Nahanap ko na.
Fuck, yo,
Oh,
fuck,
shit,
yo, fuck,
where
yo,
is
yo.
Nahanap ko na eh.
No, no.
Mom, we love your subject, we love your subject, we love your subject. I know.
Oh, wait,
I
wait.
Oh god. Oh god.
Nahanap ko na eh.
I'm going back with you to lead me the way. And I'll get it for us.
I found the blue. That's mean in here. Use your logic, kid here. Yes, sir.
Oh, don't near me.
Why?
I'm gonna follow Zing.
Oga, come here. Oga.
I'm running for my life from my brother. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, I got. I died. Ay, hanapin nyo, and I'm gonna distract the ghost, cause I'm enjoying it too much.
You can go under the table if you see one. Then you can hide in there.
From my brother. Oh, where is that ghost?
Where is it? Where is it? I am so scared. Where is it?
I got this one. In the back. Go under.
I'm just camping. Oh, wow.
Dressing me.
Bro, just being scared.
I don't wanna get
No,
Okay.
dressing me out.
Okay. Where is it? Where's the yellow? Where's the? Oh shit.
Ah!
Dressing me out.
Oi. My head hurts.
Alam mo ba kung ba't ako nai-stress? Kasi naka-earbuds ako, sabay mag-isa lang ako sa bahay. Kaya wag mo akong asahan, boy.
Fuck no.
I low-key forgot. Hoga, what's in my inventory?
I'm low-key alone.
Look at Zing over there. Zing! Yo, what up?
Yo, what up? I'm hiding.
What up, guys?
Blue ba? Blue ba yung nawawala? Yellow.
Yellow.
Oh,
Yellow.
I low-key.
The king in yellow.
Nakita ko na kanina eh.
No.
No?
Shit.
Fuck no?
Shit. Oh my god. Ah.
I'm not here.
Okay, I'm safe.
Thank you for doing the hard work.
Bro,
Ah.
he's just chilling.
Yo.
Hey, yo.
I'm being a beacon right
Okay, I heard him. I heard her. I'm still stuck in here.
Ah, wait. Oh, wait.
I'm still stuck in here.
now.
Yo.
Yo,
Oh.
find the object.
no.
Oh, I'm dead. Monster attach ano. Yeah, ito feeling ni Zale araw-araw eh. Hinahabol lagi.
Nahabol ng aso.
Yung feeling na hinahabol ka sa panaginip
Just gonna
mo,
chill.
diba? Yung
I'm just
feeling
gonna
na
chill near the spawn.
Ang hinahabol ka ng sa mga
Well, I'm
panaginip mo,
stuck
tapos
in here.
yung paa mo pa.
You guys just
Ah.
chill.
Hi, Misky.
Nakakatakot niya eh.
Misaki?
I found the yellow.
You found the yellow?
Don't die. Don't die.
Okay, help me.
No.
Oh, hell no.
Freaking heck no.
I'm just gonna chill at spawn.
I low-key didn't know where I am.
Loki, I don't know if I'm going to leave right now. Or what?
You found the yellow.
I found the yellow, but I want to leave.
You found... Oy!
You gotta
You
risk
found the
it, you
king.
gotta risk
You found the king in yellow. Loki,
Get the way going now.
you must protect Hastor. Echolocation I
Just to tell you guys, he's just near me. That he's near me. Can you distract him?
Echolocation is needed for Roga to.
Oh fuck no! Fuck no! Fuck no!
Ah, near.
Bitch! Bitch! Get
Oy,
out
oy.
of the way!
Swear. Swearing, dude, swear.
Sorry guys, sorry guys.
California girls were
Oga, panoorin mo yung live ko para makita mo yung ginagawa ko.
I'm just. Oh, never mind.
It's too risky. Hi, flame frogs.
Stalking, I do not understand.
Hello, Oga. I'm here. I get the yellow. Let's go.
Ay, nakuha mo na yellow? Oh, go back to spawn. Wait, I'm going to distract this girl. Because I'm too attractive. Ah, where is it?
It's
You're
in
too
spawn.
attractive.
The monster is in spawn.
Ah, ta, run! You guys run.
Where is the spawn, Zing? Where are you at? Where are you at?
Kasama ko
I'm
si...
heading at spawn.
Are
I
you-
got the yellow.
Nope. Get out of the way. Get out of here.
Yeah.
Yay, thank you.
I got
Thank you
it.
for the light. Thank you for the light.
Oh,
Enable all computer.
So we need...
What the heck?
Oh, wait, what? We need to... Oh.
I monster.
Oh, yeah, the monster gun.
I got one.
Oh, the red! Okay.
Okay, I got one.
Dude, why is it so slow?
Use shift.
The computer is too old.
Shit.
Wait, this is considered...
Third one.
Here. The red one.
Apparently I'm lost again. Oh, okay, I know where I am.
The color scheme is giving Avery and Derek.
Yo, let's go.
What the actual? Bro, where are you going?
I'm fixing... I'm fixing all the computers. Alright.
Here, dude.
Alright. Let's...
Good boy.
What the hell did you say?
California girls is unforgettable.
California girls.
Yo, Zing.
I'm just hiding now. And I'm stuck.
Yo, Zing.
Where are
Rah.
Your fucking face.
I just completed one more guys, one more. Please help me. I am under the water.
Watch them all,
Help me.
Flame. Watch them all.
you? I'm under the water.
Okay, escape button and go and escape now.
Nihintay ko...
What the heck?
Rated in blood.
Okay. Who is-
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Who is at my back?
Let's run! To be honest, hinihintay ko na lang yung POV ni ni Wembu. I just want.
Back.
Oh, another one.
Didn't Wembu already post?
I already finished it.
Bruh. I'm still at like episode 4 for all of the POVs.
I finished all Wembu's POV in just 3
I
weeks.
want to finish it all,
Dude, this
but
is so
Pirate's POV is so long.
Uh,
For me.
Let's go, Olga.
I'm gonna watch that too.
Where are we at? I think we're lost.
Bro, kawawa si kawawa. I don't know. You see.
We gotta crouch under.
Kawawa si Egg-chan.
Yeah, Aichon got kidnapped.
We gotta
Hey,
find the way.
what the heck? Where are you at?
I'm
Do you know the way?
There.
I did it. Hi, I'm back. Hello, Athena. Welcome back.
Hi, Tina. Hi, Rowie.
Hi, Athena.
Okay, thank you.
We won.
Chapter 1 and oh my god, that was actually
There,
really
there's
fun.
still chapter 2, I think.
It's
self-ongoing chapter.
W, it's fun.
Time for part 2.
It's really fun. The jump scares, the puzzle.
Let's go. Let's continue. Chapter 2.
Wah,
Co-op.
wah,
Oh, wait. I'll restart. Leave.
wah.
Create party. Story.
Wanna play? So can I join?
Modifiers. Go.
We already, ano lang eh, Flame. Apat lang yung pwedeng mag-join eh.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Say my name.
Zelu. Zelu.
That's you.
Oga.
Kara,
Oga.
Karanismo. I don't know.
Oga.
Sige, pag sinabi ko talaga yung pangalan mo.
Hindi, may nag-comment. Taka guys. Say my name.
I'm going to sell it. I'm going to
Oh guys, my
Bro is gonna dox him.
my real name is Jerick.
I doxed myself by giving this account.
Yan.
Nobody knows what's mine.
Mute ka dyan.
Oga
Some...
knows my first name.
Different. Ay! Utik.
You Flame, don't mute him. It's fine.
Ay, leave. Ate, hindi natin kasama yun. Oga, nasa ka na. Bubugbugin kita.
Ay, magjo-join na ba?
Bro. Oh my god.
I'm very sorry, guys.
Oh, what the heck?
Ka-
Oh God, I almost drowned.
I swear, Oga, I'm going to kill you again.
There you go. Ako'y una. Absolute cinema.
Hindi talaga mag-i-English ni Kiyo eh.
Shut up.
Happy time. Yeah, it's
Sana
actually...
ganyan ka din yung nag-defense tayo.
Say my name, dude. It's
Yan yung ano eh. Yan yung
Say wala.
Doranismo. What's wrong with your name?
Good boy.
Asan na yung dalawa?
Wala pa namang party.
Meron no?
Meron na talaga.
Wala pa dito.
Meron na.
John Smith?
John Smith 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wala nga dito.
Saan ka?
Tayo, recreate. O, kalma. Kalma mo.
I swear you got
Modifiers, you
you.
have 2. And chapter 2, co-op. Okay na. Meron na. Okay.
Yun.
Absolute cinema.
Oga knows your first name, Zing? Right?
Ha? Zale.
Alam ni Oga,
Yeah.
alam. Okay.
Wait, ano? First name ko sa totoong buhay?
No. First name ni Zing.
Ni Zing? Zing Masu.
Bitch,
Zing Masu.
what are you on about?
Okay, let's go guys. Chapter 2.
California girls.
It's literally in my TikTok account.
Okay.
Ayoko ma-dox ka. I just...
Behind you. Behind who? Behind who?
I am not looking behind.
There's nothing. There's nothing there.
Objective.
Hindi niyo ako kasama.
So, I hope there's no
Oy.
monster.
Okay, we're going back.
Ang ingay ng pusa.
No, I see something. I see something.
Ang ingay ng pusa dito.
What was that?
Oh, here?
Oh my God!
Naririnig niyo ba yung pusa dito?
Oh my god! Happy birthday to you!
California girls is unforgettable. Oh, shit.
Bye, mama.
Zing, come with me.
Yung pusa.
Wait!
Zing!
Yo, ano?
Natakot
Ah.
naman matakot si Kiyo.
Nag...
Happy birthday.
Boy! Shut up! Boy!
California girls is unforgettable.
Get the bo-
Seeking to see the sun top.
We're just going.
Ay. Yo, I died. I swear to God, you almost found.
I
You ask me how I've been.
I don't I get it and I'm living and I'm going to live.
Is that? Oh my god. It's chasing me. Oh my
California girl season 3.
I'm making a new
Ay, we're-
song.
I say red.
Oh my god, it's chasing me.
Here? Wait, walang red?
Yes,
Ah,
meron. Meron.
I think there's like vowels.
I say red.
We gonna go cross. Ay, ay,
Okay.
Ba't may isda dito? Hindi ka nagsasabi may ano dito.
Hello.
May sawa.
Ako isda.
Shut up.
Oh, may ganito pala. Oh.
Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya.
Uy, isang location lang ba to? O madaming location?
Yeah, I guess. Let's go back.
Ayun. Let me go back.
That's where we came from.
Just- Wala, no?
Okay, wala.
Wait for me.
Oh, yeah.
Whiskey,
Hi, Charm.
don't leave me here.
Then stay there, dude.
No.
Michael, don't leave me here, Michael.
Oh, wait.
What?
E.
Wait, what?
White.
We got purple, white, then
It's the
green.
purple valve. Guys, it's the purple valve. Purple guy.
Purple guy.
Woo! Wembo!
Bruh.
Where?
Oh, heck no.
Halemale.
I got the purple.
It's better. It's better.
Where's my purple
I got
guy?
the purple! And I died.
The purple. Get the purple.
I died.
Wait, saan?
Actually. Sa may disam yan ah. Basta lumusot ka na lumusot. Then, ay, lumusot ka na lumusot dyan.
Wait, why? How?
I'm going to risk it. I'm just going to risk it.
Wait, isang ka.
Risk it
I got
all
the
for
one.
you.
Yun, boy. Meron ako kay Michelle Mosende. Ay, Mosende? Mosende? Thank you. Thank you for joining. And goodbye. Yeah.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
this is
Bye-bye. I said bye-bye.
California girl season 3. Yeah.
I said bye. Buti na lamaya sa likod ko.
Asan yun?
Come here. Come
Girl,
here. Come
where
here.
are you?
We're running.
I did not see him. I did not see him.
Ground dope! Dude!
Oh, yun yung purple. Yung
Ay,
purple.
gago, I saw the green. I didn't grab the green.
Ah,
I got the green.
careful, guys.
Oh, you got purple.
Purple rain, purple rain.
No, it's
Which one do we not have?
Purple.
ano ko,
Green.
Michael.
Let's go. Oh my god. Run. Just risk it.
Run, baby, run.
Whoa.
Yo, I got my purple dude. Oh, I got my Wembo.
Come here.
Mace attack.
It's
Hi,
Wemby.
it's Harry. Let's complete na. Tara.
Wait, green pa.
Bro, we don't have green.
We need dream.
I'm going to risk it. You go find it.
I'm so green.
Okay, let's go risk it now.
Oh wait,
Here.
I am.
Come here, you slithering monster. Come here, you slithering monster. Okay, let's stop riding.
Okay, tara.
Go.
Yo, saan pupunta?
This way.
This way. Here. Ito.
Yo,
Bagay kita oga.
I am the smartest player in the Roblox.
Mizaki, where are you?
I'm wait.
Don't forget to close the door. I don't care. I'm gonna get out of here. Parrot.
Number one yearner in the Philippines. Hello.
Number one yearner. Well, yeah.
Nope, not here.
Huh?
Just run.
California
run.
girls is unforgettable.
Really?
5?
Run.
5? Oh, wait.
3-5. 3-5.
There's
Here?
5, then that's next. 4? 1. We have 1. Green 1. Red 5.
I'm near green. I'm gonna.
1.
Green.
5. Okay na yung 1.
That's this thing.
Ah, yun.
Ay. Anong kulay yung 5?
5.
Anong kulay 5? Okay,
Five.
gets. I-color number niyo yung ano.
Oh.
Yan
Gawin nyo
ang
nga
score.
akong admin. Gawin nyo nga akong admin.
Sa Discord. Wait lang.
Oo.
4 yellow.
4 yellow, 1 green.
I already did the blue and the green.
You have 1? Do
We
they
just
have
need
1?
yellow.
We need yellow na.
Ah, yung blue color. Yung blue is 3.
Blue
I
is
did
3.
blue already,
Ah.
bro.
Then where are we going now? But I just... May nakita akong pintuan dito eh.
If I am a boy. Nag-echo ba? Nag-echo ba, guys?
Nope. Bukas...
No. Yes, it's open. The button is green. Bro, who is... Bro! Oh, hell no!
Oh, heck
Don't
no.
say we're doing a chase!
What? Ay.
What's happening?
Wait! It's not the right time!
Yo, stop. Yo, stop.
Wait a minute.
Hey bro, stop. Flames, if that's you. Hey Oga, come here.
Flame. Oh god, let's go!
Hello.
Oh
Oga?
dear God.
Oh my god, I swear to god, if there's a jump scare.
Yo, there's a chase.
Oh my god! Who are you?
No!
Is it you again?
No!
Oh, it's
It's
her.
you again!
Run for your
You
life.
followed me out. I said, darling, don't leave. You're passionate about the log walk up the street. I'll marry you someday. You're perfect from me. I got in my car just to
Where do I go?
drown in your fleet. Cause I'm bo. Oh.
Lance.
Eh? Eh?
Dude! Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yo, that's flame. Yo, W flame frogs.
Boom!
Ano yan, bro?
Yo, Zing, do you watch the King in Yellow? Do you watch the King in Yellow, right? Look at the ambience.
It's giving the final door.
Yeah, the final door.
Bro,
Oh, wait, is it? Still left.
Dude's going to the rocks.
I'm going. I'm traumatized.
Are we out? Are we alive? Are we what?
Di ba kayo natatakot sa avatar ko?
No, this time. We've seen worse. Worse than that.
The last time you were being chased.
okay, can
This is slithering.
I
It's
cannot
not
see.
piercing, but slithering.
Hi guys, sa mga nanonood sa akin, we're playing horror games.
Wait.
Turn right.
I think we're gonna
Hi guys.
Ay, feel ko si settings to.
Dumano tayo.
Feel ko si setting yung nag-join.
Yeah. It's settings.
Yo, settings. Change your username to be
That's
pang.
Flame, oh my god.
nope.
Weh, weh, weh. Weh, weh, weh. Weh, weh, weh. Weh, weh, weh.
I don't want to hear you. Where is talking? Why am I
Is this the right way?
Yup.
Ah,
Ah.
that's right way.
Wait,
Maybe
That's
the
the right.
wrong way.
wait, di ba dito?
Hmm?
Di ba?
Come here.
Lang yata to.
Okay, this is the gas station. It's the creepy gas station.
Oh, wait. Eh.
Oga, where are you?
Lagi ako naliligaw.
Bro is bad at directions, like Avery.
Cutter needed. What the heck did I cut?
Oh, mystery box. Mystery
We need a
box.
cutter.
Oh,
We need a cutter.
Line box.
wala. Wala.
We
There is-
also need a cut for the other boxes.
Okay, you need to go inside. It's something is hissing in. Okay.
Open up.
Okay, something's happening inside here.
Open up.
It's a radio.
Open. Oh, wait. There's a lock.
With a key. I have a key.
Ito.
This
It's a key.
piggy.
Yo, Kyo. Kyo, come here.
Yeah,
Come here.
I have a key.
Open this one, please.
I think the cutter is
My back hurts. Oh, sure, Athena. Rest well, dude.
Ah!
Oh, crowbar. Bawal,
Yes.
bawal pang hampas.
Ay, that's too bad. We need a red key.
Bakit kailangan ng red?
Okay.
Ba't kailangan ng red key? Eh, may ano tayo? May crowbar tayo.
The mystery boxes.
Eh, ba?
We will open it later, but we need the cutter.
Why?
Hey, Timothy.
Guys, wait. I'm gonna do something. Wait for me.
Okay.
We're just gonna explore.
We'll go.
Wait lang.
California Grill Season.
Forget it.
This is the real horror, guys. This is Track-kun. Di- this is
Where are you at, Oga?
I'm exploring.
Wait for me, dude.
This is the most scariest mob in the entire world. Oh.
Okay, let's go. Oga. Oh, okay.
Huh.
Just did it.
Oh, my crowbar was gone.
Holy shit.
Hey, no.
Oh, hell no.
Wait, what? Hey, who's? Ah!
Oh, hell no.
Oh, wait.
It
Oh!
jump scared me.
A red key.
Thank God.
We all have. Hi, Shan Erarum. If I said it correct.
Wait, the telegram.
So, open up.
FBI, open up.
Another key.
Another blue
Ah.
key.
Oh my God.
I already found it.
Okay. It's
Oh my God, there's a
book.
Sophia. Never mind.
Okay, never mind. What the heck is that? Hello? It's a
Is
jump
that a
scare.
guy?
I'm scared.
Don't look.
Don't look at the door.
What? There's no jump scares.
Clear the car and let's see. Okay, open the mystery box.
Wait,
I
wait.
need to unbox.
Oh, got her. Guys, today we're gonna unbox a mystery box.
Sheesh.
If you see a gear, it's a gear.
Woo!
Okay, that can happen.
Is it in my bag? Oh, never mind.
Oh my god!
Run!
I just died, you
One
know.
more lives.
Wait, how to?
I just.
Oh, we're gonna store this one. Ah, that makes sense. Ah, hello. Wait, should be scared. Yan ba dapat reaction ko?
Ugh.
Uh.
Ugh.
Dude, stay with
Oh my God.
me.
Why again?
Why is it always targeting me?
Why again, dude?
I don't know.
I'm asking.
Okay, I'll follow you this time.
Oh, sayang. Wait, actually.
Let's just open everything.
It's
Yeah.
it's gears. Oh my god, she's going. Oh my god, it's following me. It's following me. It's following me.
Okay din.
In me! It's in me! Hi Bree, hi Ranks. Hi Copy B.
We
Maya.
need one water.
Mukha mo, it's in me.
Di ako yun! Sira ulo.
Yo,
Oh, water.
kind of.
I have water. I have water.
I'm sacrificing. We
I'm
don't
not
need water.
sacrificing
we need
everything.
everything, bro.
It's
Oh
in
my
the
god.
Luna.
Ay, ako lang na lang energy.
Ayun, may energy ako dyan iniwan. Kaso nga lang, it's going to be respawn. I see.
Despawn.
Sino yung gusto mag-sacrifice?
Ako.
Sacrifice.
Ako.
Ano? Narinig
Hanap
tayo
ko-
kayo.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
here,
Sacrifice
use.
sa'yo.
I'm going to be second sacrifice.
It's in me.
Come here, you old hag.
Parang ka,
Hawak ko kanina yung ano.
hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat.
Hi, Noel, babe.
Diba ito
Hey,
ano ka
Irie.
To. Ay, ikaw na.
Focus in talaga na. Ano ka rin?
I got Ev.
Where?
Freaking old hag. Hi,
Tut,
Rich.
tut, terereret, tut, terereret, tut, tut, tut.
Nalapit ko na kanina. This old hag.
Ang bilis niya.
Hindi siya nagka-camp.
Ano?
Camping in that. Is camping.
Ah, camp.
Camp.
Bro.
Camp.
What?
This
What
old
did
hag
you
is
do?
camping.
Camping.
I need to distract her. I'm sacrificing
Hi,
myself.
Neil.
Let's.
Come here, you old hag.
Let's go. This freaking old hag. So stressful.
Why you Ba't parang ano, you calling my name by saying old hag?
Come here, you freaking old hag. Hindi nakakatakot, nakakasar na.
Kaya nga, ang bilis eh.
Oo nga. Ang bilis niya kasi, akala mo si Sonic 2.0.
Pwede bang katirin na lang siya? Kakatirin ko
Wait.
din yan.
Okay na ba?
Hindi pa.
Wait, asan yung gear?
Hindi na kailangan ng gear, kailangan na lang ng energy.
Ano yung energy? Where's
Wala
then?
na bang ibang exit? Except that.
Wala na.
Asan yung ano, yung energy?
Come here, you old hag. Come here, bitch.
Oh, wait, what?
Hi, Octavia.
Ay, guys,
He's
guys,
in the
distract
store.
her. Distract her. I know what to do. Who has a cutter?
I played these games before.
Yo. W me.
I played these games before.
Play this game. Why our character end up?
Play these games.
I don't know what that happened. What happened that day?
Dun dun dun. Don't move.
Don't move when she sees. Don't move.
Something's in behind me, I know. It's behind you, dude. It's behind you. Oh my god.
I think if you don't move, he doesn't see you.
Dun dun dun.
I'm at the second floor, you know.
Oh, I am dead.
I need a green card up here. Okay, I saw it.
I don't care anymore.
Come here, you.
I don't care anymore.
Shut up. I don't
Oh.
care to you. Here, just
Where are you guys?
second floor.
I'm
So,
living my
I need a
dream.
few colored. cards. It's the key. I guess.
Kailangan ba ng
He
key?
cannot reach. Di niya kayang, hindi niya abot dito. Di siya kakapunta sa second one. That's what I observed.
Oh, wait. Yung mga kinasa...
Ito yung yellow key card.
Yung mga kinasa ano?
Whiskey,
Yellow key
And-
card. Yes.
Whiskey.
Yes.
Dyan kayo sa taas, sabihin niya kung nasan siya sa amin. Kami ni Oga kukuha ng card.
I got yellow key, I got yellow key.
Hanap
Yes,
na namin yung
yes.
yellow key. Nandito sa may ano.
Okay, so,
Nasa surround niya yung mga sides. Nasa ano siya. Andyan siya. Okay,
I got the red
nandito siya
one.
sa, nandito
I'm
siya.
gonna run for it. I had the red one, I saw the green one, and it's so cool. It's so cool.
Okay, what is he saying?
He's saying that...
Which card?
Be
yung...
careful.
Wait.
Either way.
Yung ano niya, yung galaw niya, alam niyo yung alien na sumasayaw?
Yeah.
Dami.
Kaya lang. Asan yung real?
Can you sing? Sure, Ashira. Don't you know to sound I get quiet and there's no around me and you in awkward silence. Don't you dare. Co-pilot? What do you mean co-pilot? Oh, my back hurts.
Who has green key?
It's near the red key.
I have green key card.
Don't
I got the
you dare.
I got it. I go to run for it.
Run!
Where?
Green key card. I think it's the last.
Hi, Yuri.
I think we can climb now. I think it can climb now.
Run.
Climb
Is
up
there
here. If we can. Ano na lang kulang natin? So, it's complete all. Nabuksan na lahat. Where's Zing?
I think may nag-open na bago. What the hell is he saying?
Ah, yun! Exit!
Wait. Wait. Guys, where are
Yeah.
you?
Down.
Laptop.
Upstairs.
Let's go.
Help me.
You can't
Where
catch
are
us.
you guys?
Here. Where's
Where?
Zing?
Where?
Where's
Wait.
Wait.
Let's
Pwede na, matatal...
teleport ka na.
You will teleport. You'll get teleported.
Yay.
I think it has jump scares. It have jump scares. Project.
Nightmare.
Is this puppy playtime?
No, it's Stranger Things. Whatever it goes,
Girl.
gonna deal with what
I'm
goes.
gonna mute.
Boy.
I'm gonna mute.
Okay, Zing.
Okay.
My parents are sleeping.
Okay, good luck. But-
Good luck. You need the most. You need the most.
Eh, syempre, baka sumigaw siya.
Here.
Bro, it's aura farming. Bro, it's aura farming. Ah,
Dito.
nag-aura farm kami. We're aura farming. Ay, ako Budoy. Thank you for liking my stream. Weh.
Oh my god, something's there.
Ayoko mag-turn left. I need a shovel.
This.
I need a crowbar again.
Yeah.
Dig.
Hi, sweetie Jazz. Hi, San ka dya? Hi, Gia. Good evening po.
I'm just exploring.
Go lang. I'm gonna pick
Wait
you.
for okay.
And I lose you guys. Ah, there you go.
Hoy,
There's
huwag kang mag...
another Kobe.
Yo.
Yun eh. Get
Oh,
some shovel.
we gonna play Minecraft?
There's a crowbar.
Tut, 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 tut.
It's nothing.
And that's it.
Waste of
So
time.
where is it? Where is it? The hell is it? Okay, we found it.
Okay, where the heck are we?
Let's go!
Let's go, let's finish this.
Let's go. I think there's a chapter 3 released.
There is ongoing chapter of 5.
Chapter 5.
I hate this.
Cave diving. Oh my god.
We
Okay.
Cave diving.
Yo, we have infinite air lungs.
Yeah, yeah, oh my
We
god.
have infinite lungs.
Air
We're a
lungs.
fish. We're a fish.
Wait, I knew it. Your first was fish.
I'm
You were fish.
I am a fish.
Okay, it's a quest again.
Okay. it's
There's a triangle. Red is triangle.
Okay, who the freak was that? The red is triangle. I mean,
It's done.
Blue is
not
diamond.
triangle.
blue it's
Diamond.
blue it's circle. Green is triangle. Blue circle.
Yellow is
Green is
cube.
triangle. Cube, check.
What?
Blue is blue.
Diamond.
Yellow is circle.
Wait, ba?
Let's change. Yellow,
Okay.
red is diamond. Yellow is
I
circle.
knew it.
Blue is square.
Already
And green is
done.
triangle.
Let's
Okay.
go. It's already done.
Sorry.
There's a
Hi, hi.
hole.
Wee!
There's a hole.
Oh.
Hi,
I
Chris.
kind of feel stuck now. You know what I'm saying? I kind of feel stuck.
Yo, Rob.
The vents.
So
You know what I'm saying? The
What's
vents. Vents.
up,
napaka out of character nun. Yo! Yo, sabi, yo, absolute sino,
Yeah, we
napredict,
need keycard.
napredict ko, sabi ko, Stranger Things.
Is Stranger Things.
Yeah,
Yun
yeah.
yata yung nandoon sa ano eh.
Upside down.
Okay, well, I think we need another code.
I found the blue key card, but
Wait, I am a bird?
Did you fire?
Ah, there's a glass. I am a bird.
There's
I'm just going to
I'm the
go
biggest.
around
I'm the biggest bird.
and something interesting.
Oh.
something red here.
Oh wait,
There's a
Triangle.
Bio Biodigo? What? Biodigo? By first version of Biodolls. Biodigo. Oh, spooky. Hello,
Wait,
Bunso.
wait. Good.
Oh, I can do this.
Even is the Nightmare Project.
Ah.
Just that in there.
Um.
Drugs.
Oh, it's red.
What?
Ooh.
Oh, what?
Ooh.
Circle there.
Red is triangle. Red is triangle. Key card.
Do it.
Key card.
Oh my god, it's so bright.
I am so bird right now. It's all yours. But alam niyo ba yung mga ibon hindi nakakakita sa glass? I mean,
No,
hindi nila nakikita yung glass.
Nothing.
very good.
We're just blocking the start.
It's the vents.
The fence is useless.
Yeah, how actually. Oh, triangle, triangle, what colors? Blue, blue.
Green.
What? Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah. I hate myself.
Hello?
Turn. Talikod ka nga. Talikod ka nga, Kyo. Kyo. Kyo.
Hi. Look, it's Ophelia. And she's laughing.
Alright, let's go.
And I think she has escaped.
Triangle.
Oh, wait. And someone has to chase us.
Blue is fine. Yo, Ophelia. Ophelia.
Ophelia! Ophelia is
Oh my god, run!
You let her here! You idiot!
Come here, you old hag.
Yo, Mike.
Come here, you old hag is chasing me right now. The old hag is
Oh wait, this is
chasing
the
me right now.
spawn. Wait, balik. Spawn to.
No, dude. The old hag is here. Okay, I'm gonna run for it.
Run! I just pushed the Kapski button. Loki guys, my back's hurting. Hello sa mga nanonood dyan. We're playing Ophelia sa mga gusto magtanong.
We have red triangle, guys. We have red triangle. Again, we have red triangle. We have red triangle, yellow diamond. Just remember, please. Red triangle, yellow diamond. Let's go, Oga.
Guys, let's do part 2 of this, like, chapter 3 to chapter 4. Or something.
Red triangle. Yellow is
We're gonna
diamond.
do part 2 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yo.
Have to.
Uh,
Yeah.
There we go.
error. Project Nightmare compatible.
And I think
Yel-
that
blue
mom's
diamond.
gonna
Ay,
get over.
Oga
Hey,
is
you plant blind.
Yo!
she's here.
Yo!
She's here.
Now I'm gonna
We
need
have
to-
bomb! Alright, let's go.
I'm going to kill this. Old hag is here.
We have bomb. Ah.
Freaking ass.
Ah.
Stop that.
Ganun ba yung dapat reaction? Ah. Nakakatakot.
Oh, no.
Alright,
Help me.
Loki, this is kinda annoying.
Addictive.
It's kinda
It's kinda annoying.
I didn't know she would do this.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
And my head
Dito
is
yung mga
a wall.
talo ulit.
And I had a brain.
May mga US Army na naman dito sa amin. May nakita kaya silang oil.
California girls is unforgettable.
Old hag is chasing someone. It's not me.
Oh, yo.
Just gonna run
Hello.
for it. It's in my back.
Hello, guys.
Heck no.
Thank you so much for watching my live stream, guys.
I'm going to freaking punch you in the face, you know?
Galing naman.
Get the heck out of here. I'm gonna kill you. The heartbeat in my game is
Yo, Zing, what up?
this freaking old hag is here.
Jesus. Oh my god, I swear to god if I get jump scared right now.
Okay, only one. Isa na lang.
She found
I got it, I guess. I got it.
Hawak mo ang beat. Ano, Dubai Chewy Chocolate, ano, tara. Ilocos yung pinadaan, tara.
Okay, exit.
Where?
Exit.
Where?
In the freaking vent, dude. Okay, someone got there. Ready.
It was me.
No! Hurry, wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah,
You're
wah.
freaking psycho.
Yo.
You are a cheater, you know that?
Wah, wah, wah.
You're a cheater. You're a cheater.
Rest in peace, my granny. She got my bazooka.
Di pa ba tapos? Ang sakit na ng likod ko.
It's not. The storyline is too peak.
Should I post
We
it?
need to go again. Cave diving again.
Look, there's a
Why
lit.
can't we do a flashlight when we're underwater?
Hey, really?
Can we?
Oh, we can.
Yeah.
We can.
Oh my god,
We
it's
can.
more brighter even.
Ooh. Super.
And why does it look like a guy?
I got past Misky. Bye, Misky. I just
Michael,
got...
don't leave me here, Michael.
Okay.
Michael.
Two just left.
Zing.
Olga left us.
Kasama ko si Zing eh. Kala ko nasa likod ko eh. Please be end. My back is hurting. My back is hurting. What happened? Why my...
Okay, I lower my volume.
Who you?
Wah, wah, wah. Chapter 2 end. But chapter 3 ba to?
You guys were watching
Yo,
Slam Chapter 3.
yeah, tomorrow. Let's play tomorrow, guys.
Tomorrow, we'll be doing part 2 of this.
My back is hurt. I with my chair monoblock.
Okay, guys, he's
Maybe
the...
my back will
Yeah, guys.
Chapter 3, Chapter 4, and Chapter 1 Legacy. We have the bonus modifiers disabled.
Yeah, guys.
So,
We need to do the secret endings.
Yukio, do the outro. Do the outro, Kyo.
so, guys, that's fine. That's all for today's video.
Be video, ano? YouTube ba?
Ewan ko sa'yo, dibubuhos mo naman to eh.
Video.
Oh, sige.
Like, subscribe.
Subscribe to Olga and we'll soon get our video started.
Subscribe to me.
Yeah, guys.
Subscribe to the...
Yo, Flame, welcome back. Yo, I think I'm going to end the live stream. Thank you for everyone sa mga nanood. Kay Athena, kay Flame, kay Imagine the World. And
Thank you po sa mga sumubaybay sa
yeah.
ano,
Thank you sa mga
chapter ng Apelia na to.
Thank you sa
Pasensya na po
nakipaglaro.
Sa mga words na nailabas namin dito. Pero thank you sa lahat.
Yeah, thank you sa nakipaglaro. Kay Settings, kay Zing, kay Mitski, kay Kyo, sa lahat. Ang
Thank you,
dami.
guys. Tomorrow ulit, we'll go into continue to chapter 3 and 4.
It's your
Sana
pleasure.
sumubaybay ulit kayo.
Yo,
Magandang
yeah.
gabi. Maraming salamat. Good night and we'll peace out. Bye guys.
Bye-bye, guys.